Yeah guys, if you're looking for the perfect heavy duty power strip for your workshop, garage or storage room, then I have an awesome thing for you here, and that's this Berigtta 20A heavy duty power strip. It comes with 9 AC outlets, some of them even spaced outlets, and we have a surge protection of 3600 joules, which is way above average. Usually with power strips these days, if they have some surge protection built in, then it's usually around 1000, 2000. Here we have 3600. So this can be definitely considered a really good surge protection. And because it doesn't only have a very sturdy, very robust build, but of course comes with high power support. It has a 12 AWG 12 American wire gauge wire supporting up to 20 amps, so it can support up to 2500 watts. And on top of everything, it has a magnetic hole support that can be absolutely perfect, especially for a storage room where you have some metal shelves. You can just click it there. You don't have to mount it with screws or so, but it comes actually with a set of screws, so we can definitely use these screws because we have these openings here on the side. You can see 2 here and 2 on this side. The cable is a solid 6 feet and it's even switchable. And here in the back we can see these 5 super strong magnets, and so I can hold it easily when just attaching one metal bracket here in the back on just one of these magnets here. I mean, usually we are using all 5, of course, but here you can see how strong it is on just one single magnet. I can easily hold the whole weight of this super heavy full metal case here. And so here we have it a little bit closer. I've connected it to power. Of course, can't show you here a high power test, but I just wanted to show you how it looks when it's on power. So we can turn it off here and easily switch back on, and then it will test if the connection is grounded, where we then see a green light, and also if the surge protection is still working, because of course over time it can wear out. That's not only here with this Berigtta power strip, but that's the thing with all surge protected power strips. And so it's definitely a good thing when we have this indicator light here. But of course we also want to get confirmation if the outlets are really working. And so when I turn it around, you can see that the 2 LEDs on the left side, which we have on now, are indicating that everything is correct. And of course, not only here, but also on all the outlets. You can see also on the second row here. I'm not going to test all of them, just a couple of samples here. You can see works everywhere as intended. So everything looking good at the moment. My only complaint here, I mean, it's a very small complaint or complaining on a very high level. That's regarding these LEDs, and especially the one which shows the protection. Why did they make it red? Why not both green when everything is okay? That would have been easier to judge if everything is still okay. And so because I have to charge a lot of stuff here in the shed, I'm going to install it here outside, where I have already another Berigtta heavy duty outlet which has been working really great in the past. And so around here looks perfect to me. I'm not going to use the original screws. I'm using these self-drill screws. Okay, and so I've attached it here, not here, because there was something underneath. Didn't see that. Let's release it, but you can see it has definitely enough hold, and so I can also shorten it here. Don't need the whole length. Can even use this included Velcro strap to secure it. Put it here in the back, plug it in. Okay, absolutely perfect. And so I can plug in more chargers. Now you can see also this advanced port design here for additional safety. And so it's working nicely, as you can see. Absolutely awesome. Switch off, switch on. Exactly how it should be. Super sturdy. Of course, we don't have any grounding here outside. I have to be a little bit careful. But especially here you can see how convenient this grounding indicator is. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this power strip, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.